Here I have SEATEL L4 and let me show you how to accomplish here adding the screen lock method. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Here you need to find and select settings. Then you need to scroll down and simply find and select the security right here under personal, tap screen lock, and here you can use pattern, pin or password. So let me use pattern. Let's draw my unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's draw it again. Alright, so now all you need to do is simply tap confirm. You have to decide a form of notification. You can select show all notification content, hide the sensitive one, or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all content, tap done. And now all you need to do is simply press power key. Now to unlock your device, you need to enter your pattern. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.